Hello and good morning, YouTube, Steemit, Facebook. Just to make a quick video and update on what I'm doing. I'm on the quest to financial freedom by investing in crypto, and I was looking into trading bots. Quick look at the markets, and we got Bitcoin down, Ethereum down, Ripple up. And I watched a video last night, somebody called this, and when I looked at it I said no, it's oversold, it's gonna go down. I bought some anyways, but then I seen it starting to drop and I got nervous and got out, and then I got up this morning and seen it just rocketing up and was kicking myself. So I have a lot to learn about trading. I pulled out of Bitconnect the other day. I think I told you on my last video. It's down here at 22. It was 26 when I first found out about it, and I think it was 21 the other day. I'm not sure, but it was 53 when I woke up. It's now down to 50, so now is a good time to go ahead and buy some coins. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and I'm going to go ahead and take out a $1,000, maybe $1,100 loan to bring up my daily income. Yesterday I made almost $15. It averages to about 15 on average, depending on the volatility software. So Bitcoin's usually pretty volatile. On days that it's not, I don't make as much. So but I've been really happy so far. So I think we're going to do another loan, but these are currently down right now, so we're going to go over to the exchange and buy some more. I just took 0.3 out of my Poloniex account. I did alright. I couldn't really trade yesterday. I had to work and it was really hot and it was a long day, and that's why I didn't get to make a video yesterday. I'm still not quite there where I'm making enough off of this to quit the day job, but I hope to be there soon. So I ended up, just since I knew I wasn't going to be able to trade, I put a lot into Ethereum. I wish I would have went in on Ripple. I went in on Litecoin on his advice. His name's BK over on YouTube, Brandon Kelly, and I think he sells a trade report. I think I'm going to have to buy that. I'll have to see how much it is, but he uses trend line forecasting, and he looked at this last night. It was right about here, and it started to drop, and I got nervous, but then it shot up. It was actually way up higher. When I looked at it, it must have closed much lower, but for a minute there you could have really made a killing. It was way up above the last peak. So, yet again I missed the bus, and I'm kicking myself and getting kind of tired of it. I knew this was going to take off, so again, kicking myself for that. Steam, I haven't had much luck on. I think this is probably going to take off here. It's hard saying when, but probably pretty soon. It might drop back down to here. Looks like it's testing this resistance level here, but I don't think I'm gonna have too much time for trading today. I'm just kind of waiting for Ethereum to go back up, and as soon as I got in I kind of regretted it, because I knew it was 2 days ago. I got in over here and I thought this was gonna be the low, and it might be. And I sold a little bit here, so locking a little bit of profits. Kind of wish I would have did more just to free up money. I know it will go back up, but I could have sold here and got into Ripple and got into Lisk and made some money, and then got back in down here. but you really have to be on it. You really have to know what you're doing, and you really gotta be brave and be patient, and it's all about timing. So I really don't have all that down, which is why I really don't feel super confident with trading with this, but I'll get there every night. Learning as much as I can. I'm watching a lot of very smart people on YouTube, and I'm also doing a lot of research. I've been looking into these trading bots. They are for real. This guy wrote about his bot back, I think this was in 2012, and he said that it's written so good that it never loses money, and he's got it so it easily makes 0.6 to 0.8, and they've probably come a long way since then, you know. So these trading bots are for real. They're probably making a lot and able to allow you to make a little bit and not have to be stressed out trading. I just want to be able to relax. So I think I'm going to just keep investing in Bitconnect. I'm not going to put everything in it right away, but I am going to bump it up a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and transfer this out of my lending wallet. I want to do at least $1,000 loans at a time. I don't want to just keep reinvesting 14 bucks every day. So I'm going to click all and transfer this into my Bitconnect wallet. The coins are kind of low. Wow, they went up $1 while I was sitting here talking. That's why you got to be on it, guys. I should have went ahead and bought them. I'll show you what I'm making here in a minute. Let's go ahead and get these. Let me refresh it so it has the latest price here. Maybe I should wait a minute for it to go back down. Oh well, let's go ahead. I'm not going to worry about $1. There's so much more money to be made, guys. Let's go ahead and just put all this into more coins. I should have just stayed in. I panicked and sold at like 43, 40. I tried to get out at 46, 45, but by the time I transferred it from my wallet to the exchange, it was already way down here. I think even at 40 I sold and then got back in, back here way at I think 50. So if I would have just stayed, you know, those 50 coins, I did leave 50 coins, so I at least halfway stayed, but with those other 50 I sold them for 400 and, you know, probably lost at 10 bucks a coin, 50 coins, probably, you know, I might have lost $500, you know, probably at least $300, $400 by being nervous. I was afraid it was going to plummet down to here and not come up, which is just ridiculous. I should have known. This coin is so solid because it provides great service. It allows you to invest your money for great returns using this trending or lending bot volatility software. So as soon as I get these coins in here, I would just pull them out of my wallet, but I might stake these. I probably won't. I know there's 10 in here about to stake in a week, and I'm probably just going to, instead of staking, I wanted to stake because the price of these coins goes up so fast that you could probably make better than lending if you just stake the coins, but you don't really know, and it's not guaranteed. So my new strategy is to diversify, and I'm still going to trade. I'm going to keep some in Ethereum and in Litecoin and Bitcoin, and I might just probably keep those in a secure wallet off the exchange. and then keep, you know, maybe 1,000 or 2 on the exchange to trade with, and that'll increase as I make money every day off of Bitconnect. I'm going to be making about 25 a day instead of 15 a day. And then next week, or maybe sooner, I'll put another 1,000 in, start making 35 a day. And that's getting close to where I might be able to quit my day job, especially if I keep doing good with trading. I'm going to keep watching these guys that know what they're doing and listening to their strategies and techniques, and learn how to forecast and draw lines. And I might pay for some subscription, get some inside info, and make some trades, and hopefully make a lot of money, and then come back and put it into Bitconnect, so that I don't have to be trading every day, and I could go and make money in the real world, if you will. Although that might entail selling things on eBay, maybe eBay, Amazon. I used to sell on eBay. The fees were pretty bad, but I'm going to get back into that and look for some other ways to sell where maybe the fees aren't so bad, and see how that does, and then take that money and reinvest that into Bitconnect. And I'm just going to let the interest compound on the Bitconnect. I really don't need it as long as I still have money coming in every day. I'm not going to pull money out of Bitconnect. I'm going to keep putting it in until it starts making so much that let's go have a look at what I'm making. Let's go to transactions. Let's see what I'm making now while we're waiting on these coins to sell. Usually it's pretty quick. Sometimes you have to, see, I already got my coins. This exchange is awesome, and you're not going to pay the fees that you would pay on other exchanges like Bloniacs. So, I'm sorry, here's the exchange. We went over the volatility software. Let's go ahead and close that out. But you can see on some days here you make really good returns, almost 2%. So at $25 invested, I'm sorry, at $2,500 invested, I'll be making about 25 a day. So we're going to take this up to 2,500. We're going to go ahead and do a loan. We're going to go to Lend Bitconnect. Could wait for these coins to go up, but I'm not going to. We're going to go ahead and do it live. Well, not live, but we're going to do it on video and upload it right away so you guys see how easy this is. We're going to do another 1,100. That'll take 21 coins. How many coins do I have? I got 24. Should I just do 24, guys? I was kind of thinking about doing that. That would take me up to almost 30 a day. And that's where I can start making better money, guys. And then we're going to reinvest that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do all 24 coins, guys. We don't want to transfer those back to the wallet. Let's just go all in and start making this money, guys. I'm not even worried about referrals. I'm going to put so much money into Bitconnect, I'm not even going to need referrals. You know, pretty soon I'm going to be making 65, 75 a day, and then you're going to just see me making juicing videos and gardening videos and riding my bike videos and going on vacation and traveling. And yeah, let's get this money, guys. I got 24 coins, not 2,400. 24 coins, which I think would be about 1,300, 1,200, 1,250, 24. That's a little bit too much. Let's keep it even 1,200. That'll use up most of my coins. So yeah, let's do a 1,200, guys. We'll do 1,300 maybe next time and make it an even 25, and that'll give me an even 25 plus 15 would be 40. So this should take me up to almost 30 now. So you just read the terms and how much you want to lend, and say pay from your Bitconnect wallet. And I'm I'm going to be making this 0.1%, which is going to work out to probably about $1 a day, or $1.20. I almost did the 5 to make, $2 on each 1,000, which would give me like an extra $10 a day, an extra 5 versus doing the 1,000. But not to confuse you guys, I'm just gonna keep putting thousands in for now, and then once we get a lot coming back, we'll put 5,000 in. If we make some money with the trades and stuff and get this money coming in. Yeah, pay from the wallet and confirm. I think I've talked enough about that. It's really easy. It takes only a matter of seconds to transfer your Bitcoin into Bitconnect and then invest it. So I feel a lot better now that I have $25 coming in, and I don't have to be worried about here constantly figuring out where to put my money. Sure, I could just leave it in Ethereum and make decent gains, but what if something happens? What if there's another hack attack? You never know what's gonna happen. It's probably gonna do great, and I'm gonna keep some money in Ethereum. But then as I make that money, I'm going to keep putting it back into Bitconnect, because this is a sure thing. The whole website is just ingenious, very well thought out, well put together, very easy to use. These guys aren't going nowhere. They have a great system here, a great website, a great product, and just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's going to keep going up. I'm going to keep stacking these coins, keep making money off the coins, off the staking. I'm going to get into mining, and then we're going to make money off the lending while we're trading. And we're going to then take that money and just keep investing it. And by Christmas, I want to have like 20K in here. That's what we're going to shoot for. I started out with like 2,500. I invested in Bitconnect. In a couple of days they went to 50. I bought them at 25, they went to 50. I made 2,500. So I took 1,000 of that, reinvested it. I'm gonna take the other 1,500 and trade with it. Probably just put them back into these coins and let them continue to accumulate in my wallet. Might even take that up to 50, and then with the extra I'm going to keep trading on here, let my Ethereum do good for me. Might get some Steam, should have got some Lisk. We'll keep an eye on Ripple, we'll keep an eye on these Zcash. I mentioned in another video that it would shoot up because Ethereum shot up, and I was right. I should have put money on that. I just don't have the confidence yet, because I just don't have the charting skills yet. I understand the basics, but I just don't have the confidence that you need to take the big risks to make the big money. So I just have a bot do it. We'll let the Bitconnect bot make that money for me. Let's go to the payout from the lending wallet. This will be almost double now that we've added that extra 12. So that'll take it up to 27 a day instead of 15. You can see I'm making $1.35 off my 1,000. Wait, no, I'm sorry, $1.35 off the $150 loan. I have 4 small $150 loans. I think 200's 110 and 150. So off the 150 I make $1.35. Off the 100 I made 90 cents. Off the 1,050 I made 10.50. So that 1,200 will be making me 12. Off the 110 I made 99 cents. Off the $100 I made 90 cents. So you see how great it pays out. I know I said I wanted to do the Genesis mining code trades. And I will do, like I said, the first person that gives me their code, I will do an upgrade with it. But I don't know how many I'm going to be doing, guys. This seems like just a way better way to go. Better returns. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to stress. You can just relax and enjoy life. You know, life's just too quick to spend it all day trading. I used to program computers. My parents got me a computer. If you're watching, Mom, thank you. I wanted an Atari, and she got me a Coco. It was a TRS-80, a color computer 80. It had a tape drive that I'd save my programs on. I started looking at the code to the games. They're basic like Atari games, but I would look at the code and see how a variable is set up and functions work, which I don't even think they had functions. It was just basic programming where it worked in a list of commands, and then it had each line had a number, and you used a go-to command to go to that line. Nowadays they do function calls and pass variables through to functions, and I love programming. I can't wait to get back into programming. I want to learn the Ethereum programming and make smart contracts. I believe the program's called Solidity. It's called Solidity. I want to learn how that works and program with that. I really enjoy programming, but it's not good to be in front of the computer all day. I want to go out and enjoy the summer, so I think Bitconnect's going to allow me to do that with the investing in the coins, with the staking. I'm going to get into mining. I'm going to still do a little bit of Genesis cloud mining. We'll still do an upgrade maybe once a month, or we'll try to do once a week or every other week, but at least once a month. And we're going to just keep putting more money into Bitconnect, getting bigger payments, and it's just going to keep snowballing. I think that's all I want to talk about. I'm going to keep researching these trading bots. I found a trading bot that you can make yourself. It's Crypto Trader. Is it up here? I thought I pulled it up. Maybe I closed it. But I'm going to look into this. Web reading bot made millions on the options market. I might buy that crypto report from Cliff High too, guys. I think he's charging 100 for it, but I heard that it's worth it. Quicker than any human seemingly could have done it, someone or rather something bought 110,000 worth of cheap options on Altera, a company that makes digital circuits, over the next several minutes and until the end of the day. As humans digested Mattioli's takeover rumor at human speed, Altera's stock price rose. So I'll leave links if you want to read about these trading bots. I thought this was going to take me to this Crypto Trader. Is it? Not there anymore. Oh, anyways, I'm gonna keep looking into these. Oh, here it is. Build your own trading bot in minutes. Automated trading bots in the cloud. Support for all major Bitcoin exchanges. I've been watching these guys, like BrickVR here. That's who I found out about Bitconnect through. And then of course I found some other people like Craig Grant and Trayvon, and then the guy last night. These guys are traders, and they're familiar with trading bots, and they're investing in Bitconnect. This guy, he invested over 50,000. look at my history and find out what his name was. I just subscribed to him. I'll give you an update on that, but these guys understand how these trading bots work, and they're investing heavily in Bitconnect's trading bot, and they're making a lot of money, and I can't wait to start making that money too, guys. So, I'm sorry to talk about Bitconnect every day, but it's what has got me excited right now. It's what's going to change my life and allow me to make, Michael Crypto, that was his name. Bitconnect is legitimate, must see.
What's up, everybody? It's Michael Crypto here. I investigated Bitconnect. Let's go over that real quick. Let me get in my authenticator here, a little login shield. I put $100 in, saw some money come in.
That's what I did.
There's a lot of naysayers out there potentially with Bitconnect, but if you'll notice, the ones that are saying the nays, they're always directing you to their own business.
Yep.
As opposed to Bitconnect. I couldn't find anything wrong with Bitconnect.
Everybody that actually tries it finds out that it's great. And the naysayers, as he said, don't even try it. They're trying to sell you their own thing. And I'm not trying to sell anything. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. And I seen the payments. I started with 100 too, and I put another 100, and I put another couple hundred, and said let's do 1,000. And today I did another 1,000. I'm gonna do another 1,000 here shortly, and we're just gonna keep building it up. And I'll show you guys how much you can make with this, and it's up to you if you want to try it. I'm gonna be making good money regardless.
Put $100 in. I started making money every day. I know all about autobots. When I worked as an advisor, we had autobots back in the 90s. The banks make money off the autobots. They're legit. It's not real big in the States right now. I think it's much bigger in Asia. Anyway, I threw some money in it. In the last 3 days, I've earned $16.75. And I made $10.27.81 today alone. You can start off with $100, you can see it, but kind of goes from there. Now what I'll do is I'll reinvest this real quick, and that'll throw me over 50. I'll put that in. I think you can do multiples of 10. So reinvest it.
That's what I want to do too, guys. I'll leave you links for all of this. As soon as I get a chance, I'll put all the links together. I can't wait to start making more with this. That's just all I could think about yesterday while I was working in this heat and just miserable, sweating, thinking I could be doing what I love in the air conditioning. Doing whatever with this bot working for me. Why does that still say set 24? It must not be updated. Okay. So now let's see how much my total investment is. So there's the update. Another $1,200. Payment complete. Takes us up to $2,700 total in active investment, and brings us up to total. Well, that stayed the same, but tomorrow that is going to look better and better with each day. I'll probably make another 35, and I was calculating the compound interest last night, and it just gets incredible. I think if I were to put everything I have in by, even if I space it out until next month, I calculated from the beginning of next month until the end of December, so by the new year, by Christmas, I believe it worked out to over 18K, easy. And I don't even know if that counted the last month of compound interest, so you could probably get 20K, because by the 6th month I was making 4,000 extra off the compound interest. Off the first month, you would put in your I think I calculated at 1,500. If I just kept the 1,500 in there and took the profits from that, I forget how I did it. 50 times 30 is 1,500. So yeah, I did it with 5K in there. So at the end of the month with 5K in there, let's say I put 5K in by July. So by the end of July, I'd have 1,500, and then if I reinvested that, I would make another 450 the next month on top of the 1,500. So I think I miscalculated wrong last day, because I wrote down 1,000 more, and it'd be actually 1,950 in. So it's probably even better than this. So I don't have a compound interest calculator. I couldn't find one online. They all want to go by the year. There's nothing that pays daily compound interest. That's like unheard of. So, you know, even if you took some money out, I think you would still end up with 18K by next year, by January, because then you would have, you know, by the third month, you'd have an extra 1,000 from the compound interest. Reinvest that'd give you an extra $10 a day, and then you'd reinvest that, and then that'd take you up to 1,700 for the next month, and you'd reinvest that, and then that'd become 2,730. I'll try this all out someday and show you how much you could make if you compounded it, but it ends up being like an extra 4,000 a month by month 5. So it just keeps, you know, growing exponentially. So, you know, my plan is to get a lot in here, making a lot every day, and then, you know, once I get it up to like 65 a day, then in no time I'm gonna get my investment back. I'll be getting 2,000 a month, and within a couple of months, you know, by 3 months for sure, I'll already have my money back. And I might reinvest that somewhere else, either trade with it or just buy Ethereum or Bitcoin or Litecoin, or, you know, maybe invest in some mining, kind of diversify a little bit, you know, and then just let this just keep making money, and then every now and then reinvest some more, take some out, and then reinvest some more, you know, take some out, pay some bills, quit the day job. That's what I'm looking forward to. So, oh my god, a half hour. Let's end this video. Sorry for such a long video. I could just talk about this for hours. I'm so excited about being able to make money. I was really excited about trading and being able to make money, but I'm even more excited about not doing anything and making money, because I have a lot of stuff on the table, a lot of stuff on my plate right now, whatever you want to say, and I've been trading a lot, so I have a lot of stuff that I've been wanting to do, and Bitconnect can allow me to get it done and not have to worry about trading, and be making me money every day. So that's the update on my investment. I'll try to keep the video shorter, and you guys let me know what you think about this whole crypto life. Yeah, rate, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you later. Have a good one.